My experience in retail community pharmacy operations in terms of improving internal pharmacy processes and procedures in order to drive commercial growth had given me an opportunity to be recognized by our school, Central Escolar University, as one of the most outstanding alumni last 2011, and also a recipient of Dean Dolores Borja Elicano Excellence Award for Escolarian Pharmacists in the field of community pharmacy practice last 2022. And I must say, kasama ko sa tagumpay na yan si Watsons.
Reflecting on my 15 years with the company, I take pride and grateful in several achievements together with cross-functional teams. Among them, spearheading health commercial programs, Pure Drug from 2017 and 2021, a consultant for Operations People programs, and Operation Support Services from 2020 to current. And more importantly, mentoring our colleagues who have grown within our organization. I do believe that these experiences have not only enriched my professional journey, but also contributed to the overall success and growth of our company.
We have been exposed to different projects. Few years back, I was assigned to be one of commercial partner for health. I have been involved to various digital projects, health initiatives such as Res Bakuna and vaccination. In the middle of pandemic, we need to change our plans and tactics. But because of determination and collaboration with different support groups in and out of the company, I was able to deliver.
Oh, why they say retail is detail. One of the challenges is the rapid expansion, and the new O+O customer journey is real. And we all have to adapt and keep at pace. And of course, more stores spread out in the country will need more ways to ensure every staff stays connected and updated. To overcome these challenges, collaborating closely with team members, cross-functional teams, leveraging innovative solutions, or seeking guidance from mentors were just some of the key initiatives we have done. Through perseverance, creativity, and teamwork, we successfully evolved to a stronger sales operations team. So these experiences taught me valuable lessons in problem solving and resilience, ultimately strengthening my skills and contributing to my growth within the company.
Recognizing and celebrating team members for their work is a great way to set an example and develop a positive culture. Also, giving my team members specific tasks, exposure, and projects to excel. Because I believe yan ang magbibigay sa kanila ng opportunity to grow at umangat. Or I must say, para ma-promote because I want my team to move up the ladder too.
I believe by actively promoting collaboration, integrity, and innovation among my colleagues. I've led by example, consistently demonstrating a strong work ethic and commitment to excellence in everything I do. Additionally, I've been involved in various initiatives aimed at fostering diversity, inclusion, and employee well-being, helping to create a positive and supportive work environment for everyone.
Two things. I'm grateful for the failures and challenges. They give you resilience plus more learning opportunities. Second, grateful for the salary, bonuses na nare-receive natin. We got to buy our needs, wants, and also nakakapag-provide tayo sa family.
I'm truly grateful for the opportunities the company has provided me with. Well, professionally, it has allowed me to grow and develop my skills in ways I never imagined, helping me become more competent and confident in my role. On a personal level, the supportive environment and collaborative culture have enriched my life. Sabi nga, ang Watsons is our second family, di ba? So, fostering meaningful relationship with our colleagues is very important. The company's commitment to employee development has not only advanced our career, but also contributed positively in my personal growth and well-being.
I'm Mara Lauren de la Cruz, Regional Operations Manager. I've been with Watsons for more than 15 years.
I'm Lauren Hortensio, Sales Operations Director. I've been with Watsons for more than 15 years.